bitches, they know me, throw 150. Counting my money by 150. Half of this cost 150. Look at the dash, that's 150.
Bitch, for my nigga Glacier Mac, man. Y'all niggas sit there and don't say shit. Just chill.
I'm running my city, so ended up with the Bobby and Whitney. Sipping that drink, got a hole in my kidney. You niggas come tripping, I'm spraying 150, my infantry polar. Sick with Ebola, spit like a venomous cobra. Hold up, bitch wanna give a nigga hickeys. What I really wanna do is bust nuts on the titties. Hear me? Hustle never stop till you see me in the Hemi. Chef with the pot, scientific with the chemistry. Got a couple niggas to protect me from the enemy. They rock with a boss, they believe my ability. They already know when I blow up, everybody gotta get a real estate broker. Like a Mexicano, I be playing with the coca. Get it at the border when they get it at the ocean. Shit, I floss and I cap, open the rap, then I look at the stamp. 2 for the 50, I'm doubling that. Battle for turf like a battle for smack. Turn with the Tommy like turning the lag. 150, I punish the track. Do it for cheap if you Glacier the Mac. I do it for free if you Felix the Rat. Like I'm a cat, I'm taking the globe. Open it up, put my dick in the hole. Tipping the stripper, she working the pole. 100 or 50, I'm fucking her slow. Fucking her slow. Fatty the king. Houston go love me like I am a king. The Alamo love me, I rep for the team. She selling that pussy, I sold her a dream. Sold her a dream.
All of my G's over 150.